The other night, dear.
I was sleeping.
I dreamt
I bumped it.
You what? You bumped your head.
I'll get out.
Where you going?
I'm a little pirate. I like pirate.
You're a pirate.
I'm a werewolf.
You're a what?
You're whatever. I'm a Lego.
You're a wiggle?
I'm a Lego.
Oh, you're word girl. Word girl. Word up. It's word girl. Word up. Word up. It's word girl. Flying at the speed of sound. It's vocabulary is something odd. Really should know that by now. Word up. What are you doing? Trying to hold her between your legs? Wow.
Hold on my legs.
Hold on, Dora.
Hey.
Oh, you still got a little muffin there. And a little waffle.
And with the blueberry. I don't have blueberry.
No, I think we're all out of blueberries now.
I have blueberry.
Oh, that's terrible. Blueberry muffins.
Blueberry.
Yeah, pull everything out. We're trying to move.
It's too heavy.
What are those?
Doors. Like mommy and puppies. I don't know what puppy is.
You don't know where Poppy is?
Puppy. Puppy. A door. And Papu. A Sneaky. A Sneaky.
Oh.
After we do laugh it. And that's what I do. Go and eat. That's done.
Yeah? Yum yum yum.
I
Yum yum yum.
you hungry.
Yeah, you hungry?
I just covered a rabbit.
Oh, it's an iPad built into the stroller? That'd be smart, huh?
Beep, 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 beep. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beep. 2, 5. What are you doing? 5. I like that. Oh, you hate this. You hate this.
What is it?
Find a bear.
What kind of bear?
Bear. Let's go there.
Wait, where are you? What are you doing?
I'm right here.
Ah, you're too close. You're on me. Oh. Wait, now. You've got to at least say bye-bye.